Hi, Katie here from Katie's World. In this video, I'm going to do the paper piecing from the Charlie Brown Christmas 2020 page kit. It just needs a little love. So I'm going to take you through step by step and show you how to put this one together. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear Liquid Glue with the metal tip. And the first thing you're going to want to do is put on the solid white pieces. There's not one for every single word, and this is because there's an extra layer needed for any letters that have like a hole in it. So instead of doing all of the letters individually, I did an outline so you have larger pieces to deal with and not one letter at a time. Okay, so you're just going to go ahead and center it on the black. Just like that. I'll just give you a quick close-up. So you're going to have an 1/8 of an inch border around the letters. I like using the liquid glue because it gives you a little bit of wiggle room. Plus when the liquid dries, it hardens so it's nice and stiff and sturdy. It does dry quickly though, so you do have to work fast. You can't like put it on and then leave it. It will dry. I recommend when doing these, you lay all your pieces out ahead of time just to help you in piecing them together and seeing that you have everything there. And I do have a link below where you can pick up this page kit when it's available. I do also have many other fun page kit and album kit projects. Please check out my Etsy shop and you'll find those there. Okay, so there's the white. That's all you need for the solid white. Then we're going to move to the next layer, which is going to be the gray, and then for the word love, it's red. And then we have a little dot at the end. So these are going to go right onto the black if there's no white there. Let me just give you a quick close-up. You have a nice border around the word. Yeah, the word. Okay, so now the gray is going to go right on top of the white. So it's exactly the same size. You'll just see that there's some holes cut out in the gray now. And that's going to let that white show through. This just makes it a lot easier than doing one letter at a time. Get a little bit of glue coming out, I just like to take my pin there and pick that up. If you like this type of video and would like to see more, please go ahead and click that like button, and that will let me know if people are enjoying the paper piecing videos, if I should continue to do the paper piecing videos. I'd love to hear any comments or feedback from you. If there's something specific you'd like to see, feel free to comment below. Okay, now the red. And then we have the gray dot. I forgot to put the gray dot on here. Wait a minute. You know what? I'm actually going to put the gray dot on the back of this. That way I know it's in the exact right spot. But let me give you a quick close-up of this, what we have so far. And then now, you know, I'm going to do this word first so I don't forget to do that, or at least let me just put the dot on. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue around there. There we go. The dot's just a little bit smaller. Okay, so just like that. Okay, now that's ready. Okay, so now I'm going to start back here for the last layer. Okay, and the final piece. Well, that came out just beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please click that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to press that bell for notifications. Thank you so much again for watching. And once again, if you'd like to check out this page kit, click on the link below. Have a great day.